Before Tom Cruise, before Maverick and Iceman, before the 1986 movie made Top Gun a household name, there was the real thing. When the Air Force held its first Top Gun competition, the Tuskegee Airmen dominated from start to finish. Then they were written out of history. In May 1949, the United States Air Force held its first ever Fighter Gunnery meet at Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada. Fighter squadrons from across the service sent their 3 best pilots to compete in a grueling 10-day test. Aerial gunnery at 20,000 feet, dive bombing, skit bombing, rocket firing, and panel strafing. The winners would be crowned the best fighter pilots in America. The team from the 332nd Fighter Group, Captain Alva Temple, First Lieutenant Harry Stewart, and First Lieutenant James Harvey, were the only black pilots in the competition. They were Tuskegee Airmen, and they were flying obsolete P-47 Thunderbolts while their competitors flew newer aircraft. They led the competition from start to finish. No one expected it. When the results were announced, the room fell silent. The winners took a quick photograph with the trophy at the Flamingo Hotel. They were told there would be a banquet to celebrate, but the Tuskegee Airmen weren't invited to their own victory celebration. The trophy disappeared. For the next 46 years, the Air Force's official record listed the winner of the 1949 competition as unknown. In 1993, Colonel Harry Stewart found the records himself. In 1995, the Air Force officially corrected its records. And in 2005, historian Zelly Rainey Orr found the trophy, hidden at the Air Force Museum for 55 years. And in January 2022, the Air Force unveiled a permanent plaque at Nellis, honoring the 332nd Fighter Group's victory, 73 years late. Lieutenant Colonel Harvey, then 98, attended the ceremony. He said, "We weren't supposed to be able to fly aircraft. We weren't supposed to be able to win this competition, but we did, and we were the best." They were the first real Top Guns. Remember their names. This is Black excellence. This is American achievement. This is why we commemorate.